I think I've been looking at startup lanes for quite a while now, and it's amazing, what you guys are doing. I think Shishir is doing a wonderful job. I think giving a platform to startups where they can connect with VCs and get the right, exposure, I feel is very important today because there's a constantly evolving world, right? Things that were valid 6 years ago are not valid today. The pitch decks that you make 6 years ago are rubbish today, right? It's important that you mentor these startups. Otherwise, you have to understand the one thing about startups, and I love this about startups, is that they are very exciting people, but they usually don't have a way. And if you give that to them, if you mentor them in the right way and you connect them with the right people, there's nothing better than that. Hats off to all you guys.